Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for weight gain. We'll dive into crafting your own effective blend right at home. This approach ensures you know exactly what goes into your body, avoiding unnecessary additives. You'll learn to select the best whole food ingredients, combine them correctly, and tailor the powder to your specific dietary preferences and goals. Get ready to create a powerful, natural supplement for healthy weight gain. To build your homemade protein powder, start with a solid protein base. Rolled oats, skim milk powder, or even a plant-based protein like pea protein are excellent choices. Next, incorporate healthy fats. Think about adding 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds, chia seeds, or a handful of almonds. These provide essential fatty acids and boost calorie density. Finally, include complex carbohydrates such as dried fruit, or more oats for sustained energy and muscle glycogen replenishment. Once you have your chosen ingredients, the blending process is key. Use a high-speed blender to grind all dry components into a very fine, consistent powder. This ensures smooth mixing later. For flavor, consider adding 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract powder, or a pinch of cinnamon. After blending, store your custom protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It should last for several weeks. Using your homemade protein powder is simple and effective. For a serving, mix about 2 to 3 scoops, roughly 1/2 cup, with 12 to 16 ounces of milk, water, or your favorite beverage. Blend until smooth. This shake can be consumed daily as a convenient snack between meals or immediately after a workout to aid muscle recovery and growth. It's a fantastic, cost-effective, and natural way to support your weight gain journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.